Well, I'm happy things have returned to normal and things are a lot better now, Alan. Yeah, tell me about it, Jersey. At least we won't have to worry about any more bad guys again.
What is this place? Some kind of amusement park or something?
Oh, great. Not him. Wait, Jersey, you know that guy? I heard about him, Alan. That's Moneybags. He's always greedy and always wanted to be rich. He's already rich from what I know. He's bad news, I tell you.
Clinchfield, Highland Valley. Sounds like some sort of amusement park ride. It doesn't matter. This place will make me mighty rich.
Who does this guy think he is? Ugh, I don't like him already. And I thought Lloyd Lyon was bad, but this just doubles it. He's a lot more worse than Lloyd. This just takes the cake. Mr. Crystal, can you come out here, please?
Now, what's it all about, Alan?
Someone is trying to raise the prices on every train delivery. People don't want expensive paychecks.
A fat bear with a bag with a gem symbol on the front of it? And a tuxedo and a monocle?
Yes, sir.
I should have known it was him. That bear is a greedy tax collector named Moneybags. I've heard about him from my sources.
And I thought Lloyd the Lion was bad enough, but this is just worse.
Wait a minute. You're Jimmy Crystal? The owner of Crystal Enterprises. We never actually met, but my name is Jimmy Crystal. Well, perhaps we can compromise. Join forces? Well, Moneybags, my answer is no. I'm not interested in your business. Excuse me? Well, I don't have to stay here and listen to this slander. Listen, this is my final offer. $10 per ticket with a 10% profit. Listen, I'm telling you for the final time, you greedy bear, I'm not interested. However, the police will be there on their way. Well, let's not get too hasty, sir. Well, I'll be on my way. Too bad we can't work together. Toodles.
Yeah, that's right. Get out and stay out, you greedy bear.
Now that he's gone, let's get back to work and make Mr. Clinton and Mr. Highlander proud.
Yes, sir. Alan, I don't think this is the last time we might see Moneybags. From what I know, he's really always wanting to have his way. All that greed has gone to his head. He's a lot worse than many other people that are greedy out there. You can say that again, Jersey.